All right, this is the Algebra 1 new Unit 8 Lesson 3 video over special products. Special products are just a term for kind of unique sets of binomials that we see in algebra. And we're just going to be basically doing what we did in the previous lesson, which is to multiply those binomials. And what you really need to know simply is when you see something like this, that it means that you are doing x plus 2 times x plus 2, which means, of course, that you are doing the FOIL method on that. Do not think that this means to do x squared and 2 squared and you're done, because that is not what you're doing here. You are actually needing to multiply this out. So this right here is a problem that we might have seen in the previous lesson. So that is really all you need to know for this unit. Okay, so they're going to give us a bunch of different examples of this. And we're doing, let's go down. Sorry about that. Here we go. Right here, find the perfect square trinomial. In other words, take this and multiply x plus 3y times x plus 3y. And so you need to distribute, by doing the FOIL method, both of those terms in the first term times everything in the second term. And that's it. Looking at number 2, squared, squared. All of these are the same. You need to just do that entire process of FOILing out 2 of the same term. Same with number 5. Number 6 is slightly different, but again, it's set up already. So you need to multiply, do the FOIL method. Number 7, FOIL method. Number 8, FOIL method, so on. Keep going all the way down. All of these problems are FOIL method problems. Number 11 is a word problem. It says that Mrs. Smith is adding a gravel border. So she has a vegetable garden, and she's going to add a border. So we know the garden is 7 and, what is it? Oh, there's 7 feet on each side. So I should probably draw that a little differently. Let's say we have a 7 by 7 garden, and then we're going to go add a border. And that border has a length of x. So in other words, the difference is going to be x plus 7 and x plus 7. Actually, it's going to be 2x plus 7 and 2x plus 7, because we're going to have 2 of the borders with 7 in between, x and x with 7 in between. So this is what you need to multiply and say which one of these do you get when you multiply 2x plus 7 times itself. And then on the last one, which of these 2 will give me this as my answer? So you need to look through that list. Which of those 2 will give me this as my answer? You might need to multiply all of them. Multiply them together and find the one that goes. That is it for lesson 3. We'll get a little bit more into factoring in the next lesson.